Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the white blank icon in your desktop in Windows 10 or either it could be a Windows 11. For solving this particular issue, you have to first go to your app data in your Windows or you can say your PC. For going to app data, you have to right click on the Windows icon here, then click on the run option. After this run window will pop up, you have to type here app data. After you type here app data, you have to press OK here. After you click OK, then you have to go to dot menu button here. Then you have options here. You have to go to options. Here you will see an option called view. You have to click here. Then below you can see many options. There you have to go to the option called show hidden files folder and drives. You have to click on this so that your hidden files will appear to you on the main screen. After this you have to click on apply. After you click apply, you will close this window. Then you have to click on local folder. Here you have to go below and find icon cache option. After you find icon cache, you have to delete this particular file. After deleting this, might be your icon will show. If again it doesn't show your icon, it shows white, then you have to do like this. You have to go to task manager, and going to task manager you have to go below and find the option Windows Explorer. You will go below, there you will find the option Windows Explorer. You can see Windows Explorer is here. You have to right click on it and restart it. After you click on restart, your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.